Oh, I'm recording on video. Oh, look at my girls. Even though it's well past your bedtime, look at you. Oh, and I've got to get some photographs too. Okay, let me turn off this video. Oh, say something nice.
Happy birthday!
Oh, thank you.
Birthday.
And who's your favorite person who uses an umbrella in a movie?
Gene Kelly.
Yeah, Gene Kelly.
Look at this.
Singing in the rain.
Daddy,
Just
look.
singing in the rain.
Look at this, Daddy.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Whoa, we need to sing. No, look at me.
I'm looking at you. The camera's looking at you. You're so beautiful. Okay, I love you.